Hello everyone, my name is Salim Shabic and welcome to another tutorial on Moodle LMS. Today we are going to talk on how to add a book resource to a course in Moodle LMS. So let's start. First of all, you need to log into a Moodle LMS site. Then you need to find the course, locate the course that you want to manage or administer. After that, when you navigate to your course, click on the Turn Editing On button to activate administration mode, or click on the toggle icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, go to the section where you want to add the book resource and click Add an activity or resource. Click on Add an activity or resource, and on the next window click on a book. In this menu you can configure the settings for the book resource. You can configure the appearance. For example, you can configure that the chapters are formatted, or that the chapters are numbered, that the chapters are formatted with the help of bullets, or that they are indented. You can even create custom titles. On the in the common module settings, you can configure it to be visible or hidden. You can of course restrict access based on the activity completion criteria, and you can enable or disable the activity completion or completion tracking for this resource. Now we can go save and display, and then we can add our content into the chapters. For this exercise I use the SOPs. This will be the first chapter. I will just add the title for the SOP. I will not format the text in detail. I just want to show you how you can add the resource. Now we have one chapter here, and as you can see in the table of contents, we have our numbered chapters. We can go and click on the plus sign and add another chapter. I will just use the SOPs as the example content. Of course, you can add anything that you want. When you already have added your first chapter and you are adding second, third, sixth, seventh chapter, you can check here under the chapter title if you want this chapter to be a subchapter to the previous one. In this case, I don't want it to be a subchapter, and we have our two chapters of our book resource. And just for the sake of it, I will add another one, so that you can have a better preview. And of course, you can format the text. You can even add images, you can add links, you can embed videos, for example, and things like that. But for this exercise, I will only add book chapters as simple text. And this is it. if we go to the course section, and we can see our book is added to the content area, and you can see also that the activity, what is a Moodle video, needs to be completed before the students can access this book. Now we can click on the book since we have the admin privileges, and this is how it looks. We have the chapters which we can browse or navigate through, or we can click on the next button to go to the next chapter. So that was it. This was a little tutorial on how to add a book resource in Moodle LMS. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.